The four models, before we get into gas pressure, the super nuts of this, the four models are the G100. That's our 100,000 BTU model, 100,000 BTUs to 16,000 BTUs. Okay? This is for your one bath house. Only a one bath house. That's 2.8 gallons a minute at a 70-degree rise in temperature. You got to plan for worst case scenario when you're in the northern part of the country. So your groundwater, I'm sure here can get to be 40, 38 degrees, 40 degrees in the wintertime. Well, here, running out of this building through that eternal we have running out there, it's about 44 this time of year. That's cold water, and it's all still based on temperature rise. We still have to rise that temperature. The more raise you have the temperature, the less GPMs you're going to get. I love looking at it, even in our literature. I've had people call me up and say, yeah, but your machine will do 19 gallons a minute. Yes, it will at a 10-degree temperature rise. Okay? So you're not going to get a 10-degree temperature rise anywhere in this country. The G100, again, is what we call our smallest model. When I say smallest, it's not the box. The boxes are all the same size. You can take a G195 off the wall, put the 100 in its place, and everything lines up. The vent, the gas line, the water lines are all in the same spot. So it's the same box, just different on the inside, what they have on the inside goes. Okay? No commercial warranty for the G100, and no internal pump control. We'll talk more about the internal pump control a bit later. The 145 is our next model. That's 145,000 BTUs to 26,000 BTUs. That's 4.8 gallons a minute at a 70-degree rise in temperature. So that's your 2.5 bath house, is what this is going to take care of. And then your 195 is 5.8 gallons a minute at a 70-degree rise in temperature. So that's your up to 5 fixtures. They're pressure balancing valves with 2.5 gallon minute shower heads. You could run 5 showers at the same time because you'll only be pulling about 5.2 gallons a minute of hot water out of the machine because the pressure balancing valve is mixing it. Anything above normal fixtures, now we have to think about that. Especially these body sprays and these tub fillers and these specialty fixtures. That's where we make the M units. The M units connect together. They talk to each other. They lead lag each other. They exercise each other. You can cascade the venting. You could have 4 units going to one 6-inch PVC vent out through the wall. So a pretty versatile machine. When we have these bigger homes and specialty fixtures, we go with the M's. The beauty of the M's is, if you have one shower going, one 2.5 gallon minute shower, only one machine is running. The other 3 are sitting quiet. When the first machine gets to 80% of its capacity, it invites the second one to join. They modulate together. When they get to 80%, it invites the third, and then the fourth, and then takes them away as the flow decreases. Every 24 hours, it switches who's in charge, so one doesn't get all the low flow runtime. And they're redundant. If one locked out, it gives you the error code in that one, and the other 3 just keep on running. So it's a good fit for those kind of applications. They have valves, they have 2, instead of 1 mixing valve in the machine, they have 2 mixing valves. And the one on the top of the machine is just an open and closed valve. So when the 3 aren't calling, there's no water going through that valve. When the first one invites the second one to join, it opens the valve, lets the water flow, and fires off the machine. So it's all controlled within the machine itself. We can cascade the venting. It's because when one machine is running, the fan on the other 3 is on at a low RPMs to keep a positive draft out your exhaust. So the M's work for that application. So anything bigger, the bigger fixtures, the M's are a good fit for that.